Stop doing it the hard way. Discover these simple garage organizing hacks instead. All right, DIY enthusiasts, let's dive in. First, grab those old plastic bins and label them by room. Kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Simple, right? Next, use pegboards for tools. Not only does it save space, but it's also super easy to find what you need. No more rummaging. Got kids? Install a few wall-mounted racks to store their sports gear. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, here's a cheeky hack. Use zip ties to bundle up your extension cords neatly. No more tangled messes. For more moving hacks, text or call our design and moving department at 844-992-1999. For just $299, our professionals will apply these hacks to your next move. Dizcount Movers, anywhere, anytime, anything. National reach with a local vibe. Cheers to a clutter-free life. We all know how overwhelming a cluttered garage can be, but with these hacks, you'll find everything you need in no time. And those wall-mounted racks, perfect for keeping sports gear off the floor. Remember, zip ties are your best friend for keeping cords tidy. Believe me, these moving tips and garage hacks will make our move for you more organized and efficient. Need more tips? Reach out to our design and moving department at 844-992-1999. Let our professionals handle it for just $299. Dizcount Movers. Anywhere, anytime, anything. We bring a national reach with a local vibe. Here's to a clutter-free life.